So here's how to fix the TikTok not working issue. It's actually quite easy to do. So make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps for this. First, you will need to log into your mobile settings. Once you are logged into your mobile settings, simply scroll down and go to the apps and management option. Once you are there, scroll down and go to TikTok. Now you have to scroll down and go to the storage option. After that, simply clear the cache of the app. And you can also try clearing the data. Once you click on these two options, it will fix any bugs and errors if there are any in the app. For the second method, what you have to do is again go to your mobile settings and then you have to click on your network setting. Then you have to switch off your Wi-Fi network. If you are using a Wi-Fi network, then you have to switch it off and turn on your mobile data. After that, open your app and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed and you're still facing the issue, what you have to do is go to your settings and then here you have to turn on your flight mode. After that, you have to turn it off. Once you turn on and turn off your flight mode, it will fix any errors on your network. Now you have to go to your TikTok app and try to open it. And as you can see, now you can try refreshing your page, and once you try refreshing your page, as you can see the problem has been solved. So that's how to fix a TikTok not working issue.